Hello, welcome to session. So in this session, we are going to discuss how to install MySQL Workbench. So first of all, here we have two ways to install MySQL Workbench. One way is that install the Workbench using MySQL installer, which consists of all the packages of MySQL products, and we can do the installation by using MySQL Workbench installer alone. So the both packages we will get in the MySQL official website. So let me go to MySQL official website now. Just type MySQL in your search engine and just go to downloads page. Then now go to MySQL community downloads. The first package is MySQL installer for Windows. You can use the MySQL Workbench as well. So first we'll go with the MySQL installer for Windows. So this is what we have. So the latest version is 8.0.30. So you can also use the older version. So the older version will be available in archives option. So let me click on that. And if you want to use older versions, here you will get all the list of older versions. Okay, so you can choose anything and click on download, and you will get a MySQL installer package. But as of now I have downloaded, so I'm just going to open MySQL installer. So once it is open, yeah, so it will show empty here. So just click on add. So go to the custom, next. So under application section, so you will get a MySQL Workbench. So just click on that MySQL Workbench and move to the another box. Just click on next. So you can give the show details here. So you can find out how what are the scripts execute in background for installation. So check the status. It's completed 84%. Yeah, it's completed. Just click on next, and here it will you will get observe that start MySQL Workbench after setup. Just check this one. So once after we clicked on finish button, then MySQL Workbench will be start. So just minimize now. Wait a second. Yeah, so MySQL Workbench was open. So this is how MySQL installation will install using uh, MySQL installer package. So now we are going to discuss about MySQL Workbench package. Okay, so before that we will do the uninstallation. So if you learn how to uninstall the MySQL Workbench through the installer. So once open the MySQL installer again, so there you will get a remove button. So just click on remove button, and what are the packages you want to remove. So as of now we have MySQL Workbench, so that's why it is showing only one package. Just click on that package and execute. So it will ask once again for confirmation. So you just click on yes. Yeah, so now it's completed. Installation process completed. So let me do just click on finish. Yeah. So now we'll download the MySQL Workbench package using Workbench installer. So let's go to back. So here just click on MySQL Workbench. If you want to download older version, just go to my old archive option, then choose the 6.3.10 or older version, whatever you want. Just click on download. So once MySQL Workbench downloaded, just click on that. So it will open the uh, installation wizard. So now just click on next, next. just do the next uninstall. So it will do all the setup for you. Yeah, so it is completed now. So once we click on finish button, so it will open automatically. So if it didn't open automatically, we just open the programs and click on MySQL Workbench Installation. Okay, so this how it will work. So this all about my MySQL Workbench installation. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share it. And do the comment section if you have any doubts. I will get in touch with you. Thank you.